Welcome to the CXO Talks, an extension of our newsletter named the CXO Journal and brought to you by GetAConnectGlobal.com. In this edition of the CXO Talks, let's deep dive into how sales is changing and what CXOs can do about it. But before that, let's look at the big picture and understand the mission of the CXO Talk series. Our mission is to help all CXOs to be CXOs and entrepreneurs to manage and scale up their businesses systematically. As a strategy to achieve this mission, we will focus on one of the 10 important pillars which make up any company. With these 10 pillars as a base, we will discuss multiple relevant insights in the form of 4 T's: tips, techniques, templates, and tools, which will help you manage and scale up your business systematically. So let's start. Today, we are going to discuss one of those 10 important pillars, sales, and find out how sales is changing and what CXOs can do about it. How sales is changing. Sales is changing from selling to advising. Earlier, sales was all about showing off how great you are as a seller, but in future, sales will be all about helping, guiding people. And that is what we at GetAConnect Global believe in. Our main reason for existence is to help businesses not just look good, but be good. In the world of modern B2B selling, especially in a noisy digital marketplace, buyers don't want to be sold to, they want to be guided. They're not looking for another email or pitch deck. They're looking for someone who understands their problem and helps them solve it. That's why the best sales teams today act more like advisors than sellers. But advisory-led selling can't happen in isolation. It requires an intelligent support system, especially in the pre-sales stage, where content does the heavy lifting. This is where pre-sales content funnels come in. When done right, content funnels not only warm up prospects, but also educate them and qualify them, enabling your sales team to step into the conversation as credible advisors rather than pushy salespeople. A pre-sales content funnel is a sequence of valuable, targeted content experiences designed to attract, segment, educate, and qualify leads before they even talk to your sales team. These are not generic lead magnets. Instead, these funnels are strategically crafted to help the buyer self-assess their fit or readiness, educate them about your approach, segment them by industry or maturity, and equip your sales team with meaningful context before a conversation starts. Think of them as a content-powered diagnostic engine, advisory, insightful, and systematic. Examples of pre-sales content funnels in action. 1. Assessment quizzes for lead qualification. A mid-sized HR tech company could launch an advisory-style quiz that helps HR leaders assess whether their current employee engagement approach is scalable. At the end, they get a score and tailor recommendations. 2. Branded micro-certifications. A SaaS cybersecurity platform could offer a 10-minute certification for IT managers to validate their understanding of zero-trust architectures. Those who complete it are tagged as qualified and ready for a deeper sales conversation. 3. Interactive competitions or contests or challenges. A large-cap manufacturing software provider might run a competition for process engineers to submit optimization ideas using their tool, allowing the brand to identify engaged, capable prospects. Why this matters more than ever. Sales reps today are often dealing with shorter attention spans, self-educated buyers, limited access to decision makers, and a need to differentiate in seconds. By the time someone lands on your contact form, they've likely already browsed multiple alternatives. A passive lead capture form isn't enough. Pre-sales content funnels flip the script by letting prospects interact with your expertise first and qualifying themselves in the process. Steps to implement a pre-sales content funnel strategy. Here's how to embed pre-sales content funnels into your GTM motion. 1. Define the ideal buyer journey. Map what your buyer needs to know, feel, and believe before they say yes. Then reverse engineer the funnel touchpoints to support that. 2. Create outcome-oriented content assets. Think beyond blogs. Create self-assessment quizzes, ROI calculators, fast-track certifications, pre-recorded demos with decision logic, bite-sized mini courses. Each of these should deliver value before the ask, segment users by need or industry, create lead scores based on interaction depth. 3. Personalize the experience with dynamic funnels. Based on a user's responses or industry, direct them to tailored content journeys. For instance, a user scoring low in a content maturity quiz could be routed to foundational case studies, while high scores might get access to pricing. This dynamic routing is what GetAConnect Global's platform is optimized to handle, turning a static quiz into a decision engine. 4. Sync with your CRM for contextual selling. Ensure all quiz completions, certifications, and interactions feed into your CRM, tagging the lead with funnel path, score, and content engagement. 5. Train your sales team as funnel interpreters. Equip your reps to understand quiz outcomes, content journeys, and readiness signals so they can jump into a conversation with relevant insights, not just generic questions. Summary: the smart seller is an educator first. In a world where buyers prefer to research quietly before talking to sales, pre-sales content funnels become your 24/7 sales team, educating, qualifying, and segmenting prospects in real time. When done right, these funnels turn cold leads into warm conversations. They empower your sales team with insights and allow them to show up as trusted advisors, not just pitch machines. Whether it's running an interactive quiz, offering a fast-track certification, or hosting a challenge to filter serious buyers, GetAConnect Global's Content Funnels platform enables all this and more, helping businesses of any size turn content into conversions. I hope this is helpful. Please do share your experiences in comments to make this discussion richer and let everyone learn more from the same. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. Let's connect in the next video with a few more insights to manage and scale up your business systematically.